Okay, so let's do another example of graphing a system of inequalities. So if we graph our first one, it's in slope-intercept form again. So that's great. We are going to say our slope is -1/2, and our y-intercept is 0, 4. So 0, 4, down 1/2. This is a greater than or equal to sign. So we are going to say it's a solid line because we have the equal to, and it's going to be shaded above because of the greater than. So we have a solid line shaded above. Now let's graph our second inequality. So this one does not look like slope-intercept form. And we always want our inequalities in slope-intercept form because if inequality flips, then it's going to affect the shading. So we know how to change something from standard form to slope-intercept form. So let's do that. So if we have 2x minus 3y is less than or equal to 9, okay, we need to get y by itself. So let's start by subtracting 2x from both sides. Alright, now the thing that's making y not by itself is that -3. So we have to divide everything by -3. However, we need to flip this sign because if you divide y by a negative, our inequality flips. Okay, so you might want to note that down if you don't already have it written down. -2 divided by -3 is just a positive 2/3 x minus 3 because we have 9 divided by -3. Okay, I'm going to write that up here because now we are using this slope-intercept form equation. Our slope is a positive 2/3. Our y-intercept is a 0, -3. Okay. The inequality sign that we have is a greater than or equal to now. So that's why it's important to not fill this in until you have converted it into slope-intercept because it changed. Okay. It's going to be a solid line because we have what we're equal to, and it's going to be shaded above. Alright, so 0, -3, up 2/3, up 2/3, right, solid line, and it's going to be shaded above. Alright, so now we're going to choose any solution in this overlapping shaded area. So in the green area, that's where all of our solutions are. So let's just choose a point and label it as our solution. So let's say 4, 4 is a solution to this system of inequalities. Alright, and we'll be done with this problem. Okay, there are other options for a solution. Just make sure it's in your shaded area, okay? And write at least one. If you'd like to write more than one, you can do that as well.